friends, it is Running Kimono, and this is my Walgreens second helping. It went really well today. And then we have some Rite Aid, some Meijer here, and then more Rite Aid matchups. They have a little thing that's spend $60, get back $15 in bonus cash. So we'll jog through it, 2 different scenarios. And then some coupon mail we'll talk about at the very end. Weather report for you guys. Sorry about the later video today. I just got busy doing a bunch of work today and you know, the day kind of escaped me. So good evening to all of you, and hi to my mom if she's watching. Okay, so let's talk about the first store because I know most of you only care about Walgreens, so we're just gonna dive right into this. So I did 2 transactions. The first one, this is all digital as well, guys. I grabbed 3 of these L'Oreal Elvives, or Elvis, however you want to say it. I just think Elvive is such a bad name, but so many people love this shampoo. So these guys are 3 for $12. We have an IVC that's a 2 off a 2, but for the third one, $1 will come off, along with a 5 off a 3 digital coupon. So you're left with paying $4 for the 3, or they're $1.33 per shampoo. Next little deal that I did, and I was talking about this a couple days ago in a video, and I did in fact test this and it's working beautifully. And this subsequently is also a month-long deal to let you guys know. These used to be $1.99 and now they're up to $2.49 for each. So they have jumped a little bit in price. Don't think we haven't noticed, Palmolive. So what I did, guys, was I threw in a $4 store coupon. I paid 98 cents and then got back $2 of Walgreens cash for buying the 2. Also to let you guys know that the Suavitel is in fact included. That's also on a month-long promotion, along with the Fabuloso. So those 3, you know, if you want to make a deal happen, if you have like a spend $50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, excellent little filler items. The last little scenario that I did, and this one's quite fantastic if I do say so myself. Mr. Charmin is $6.99. We have a $1 digital coupon. And then the Cottonelle, this one, 9 equals 36, he is $10.99. So for the 2 of them, that's like $14 and some change. We have a $1 digital for the Charmin and a $3 for the Cottonelle. So I also threw in a store coupon, which was $4 off. So after that, it's $10 and some change, pardon me. What I did, guys, was I threw in $10 of Walgreens cash, paid the balance of the tax. Fetch Rewards is giving back 750 points for this Cottonelle. Plus there's a similar IBOTTA rebate for 75 cents back. I mean, to use $10 of Walgreens cash to get this amount of toilet paper, and this is like name brand stuff, I think it's just a wonderful thing. And like, look how big these rolls are. I mean, they are mega. This is toilet paper till September the 1st, if I do say so myself. So loving that deal. Over at Rite Aid, they have this goofy thing, which is when you spend $60, you get back $15 in bonus cash. And you have to be right at like 60 on the nose. There is no grace. This is not CVS. So the first thing that I got was 3 pairs of the Foster Grant sunglasses. With my gold discount, these are $17.56 each. So for 3 of them, that's $52.68. When you spend $50 on the foster grant, you get back $30, so that's the only reason why I got it. I also had an enormous amount of bonus cash on one of my store cards, so that's why I just went and did this deal. And then I also picked up the Doritos that rang up for gold discount as well at $3.43. When you buy 2 of them, you get $2 back in bonus cash. Now, I was a little short from hitting that $60 mark, so I found these on clearance, these Tic Tacs. And the Tic Tacs were like $1.29 at this one store. A whole bunch of different types of candy are on clearance over at Rite Aid, so you might want to look for that. So for all of this magic, guys, it was $60.80. I didn't have a single coupon. I got the cashier to scan the 15 back when you spend 60. And then I used bonus cash for the rest of it. I didn't even have to open up my wallet. And then I got back $47 in bonus cash. I got 30 for the foster grant, and I got 15 for the overall basket, and then I got 2 for the Cool Ranch Doritos, so my husband will be so happy. So a little bit of a loss, but I did have a monster amount of bonus cash on this one store card. I wanted to give it a roll because I don't want it to expire, so that was just kind of a smart little thing to do. These Kind bars were on clearance for 64 cents. We have a 50-cent freshness peely, so I got a bunch of them really inexpensive for 14 cents each. That's totally what it's about. And I believe you can do, I think here it's like 6 per transaction. In other markets it might be more, but here it's like something skimpy like 6. So I did 2. I don't mind having these in my purse so I don't get hungry while I'm shopping. Just really inexpensive little treats. And then these Tic Tacs at one store were $1.26, and at another store they were 42 cents. Just to kill the mask breath, this is a really good price point for these. Next little deal that I did was a spend 60, get $15 in bonus cash with the P&G products, selected P&G products. If you buy 30, you get back 10. You can do it twice per card. So I just went and got an assortment of P&G items. So the Tide Pods are $5.94. I got 2 of those. And then the Tide Liquid, these are the larger ones too. They are also $5.94. So I got the white one and then the blue one. And then I got 2 Downy Unstoppables at the same price point. So for the 7 items, guys, it was $41.58. And then the Pantene is 3 for $12. So I got $24 of that. So for all of this, guys, it's $65.58. I got the cashier to scan the spend 60, get back 15. And then I presented 2 4-off of 2s from the June P&G for this. And then I had dollar coupons for these 2. I had $2 coupons for these, and then $2 coupons for these. Not every store will let you use this many P&Gs, but this store, they don't have an issue with it. Just to note and preface that, not everybody will be able to do this deal, but maybe you can throw in some Olay or some other items, but I just needed a lot of laundry stuff because I'm really low on all this stuff, believe it or not. So anyhow, after all of my digital coupons came off, it was $45.58. And then I got back $35 in bonus cash. 15 for the booster, and then I got back 20 for spending 30 twice. So it shaked out to $10.58 for the 13 items, or 81 cents per product. And again, if you're not about this deal, don't do it. I was able to do it. The manager was there, and they usually let me use more than 1 P&G coupon, and I really needed some laundry products again. Okay, so let's talk about Meijer real quick, and I was in a rush, guys. I had to get home to make supper, so 3 of these Crest body washes at $4.19 each is $12.57. If you look in the M-Perks folder with your digital coupons, there's a buy one, get one free on Crest. You'll pay $8.38. Now, I had some tracking on my Fetch Rewards account that if I spent $15 on Unilever products, I would get back $5. I actually hit it for this purchase. So it shaked out to $3.38 for the 3 or $1.12 each. If you were buying those popsicles and you have some tracking, you might want to do this deal. Very inexpensive caress. Okay, now the Royal Rice, whichever flavor you want, they're $1.99 each. Ibotta has a $1.75 rebate, shaking it out to 24 cents, and you can do 2 per transaction and you'll get that rebate twice. But how great is it to get this instant rice really inexpensive, and it's a good rice. And then the Tidy Cat Naturally Strong, there's a $3 peely found on this product, so hopefully you can find it. Grabbing one for $12.49, subtracting that $3 peely, you're paying $9.49 out of pocket, getting $4 back from Ibotta, and 750 points back from Shopkick, which is basically $3, shaking this out to $2.49 over at Meijer. Let's talk about coupon mail really quickly. These are from California. My friend Sandra sent these. I think they came here on Monday. So the first one is this little Super Saver. And if you want to get in touch with her, all of her contact information will be in the notes. So she's really limited what she has. She doesn't even have any more June PNGs. But she does have this bundle, which is going to be starting to ship on the 4th. That include Smart Savers, Unilevers, Persil's, and all that good stuff. There is the pricing as well. Her Linktree, her Instagram, and her email are also there if you want to check it out for other coupons. But this is all I'm seeing right now on her Instagram. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.